I think you people discuss about vocabulary, right?
Who is speaking? Miss Mirchi?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. So why have you kept this word like Mirchi?
Mirchi, I kept my profile name due to I have some reason.
Okay, so what is that
I think,
reason?
are you from Odisha?
Yeah, you are right. Do you know me, Krishna?
No. How I catched you, na? One of my friend was there. His slang is completely like you only. He's from Odisha.
Right.
That's why.
I think our mother
Yeah.
tongue influence in English, right? That's why you
Yeah.
got my pronunciation. I'm from Odisha. Thank you.
Yeah. But most of the Odisha people, they gonna speak like that only. Their English slang will be like this, same to same, dicto. Who known person to me, his slang is completely like that only. So
Yeah, you may be right because of our mother tongue influence in our pronunciation and our English, right?
yeah.
That's why you can recognize me, identify me. I am from Odisha. Thank you. You are intelligent. Your IQ is so strong to recognize which part people are.
Yeah, thank you,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
I think before all are spoke about vocabulary, why you people stop? Because I don't have lots of vocabulary. I am weak in vocabulary. That's why I listen. You people try to remember inside my head, but maybe it is so hectic for me. But trying to learn vocabulary.
So good. Okay, good to hear you.
Yeah,
No worries, you can learn.
yeah, I am trying.
Okay, so let us start again.
Of course, definitely. I know also one to vocabulary these days. I am started reading Sudhamurti books, Which
Oh,
and other Which. That's why little
great,
bit I
great.
also spot in that kind of vocabulary. What this vocabulary connected with my regular life, daily life. That's why I underline and try to understand. I try to recall, but after some time I forget it. That is a bad habit for me. I cannot keep long time inside my head, and while talking I cannot use it. Yeah,
Okay.
that is a hectic. But regular, what you think about it? How to remember, how to use while talking with others, or if we write something drafting manner, then how we use it? If you have any kind of
If we continue,
advice.
yeah,
Pardon, could you repeat?
yeah. First of all, I wanted to tell that if we continue use the vocab in our day-to-day speaking, then we would be very strong in vocabulary.
Yeah, you are right. But with whom we use? If you know vocabulary, if you don't get any person to interact with, and you cannot talk with that person in English, or that is a hectic, right? In Hello Talk, everyone is a language learner. It's okay. But how can you, that person cannot understand what you wanna tell them? That is also hectic, right? If you don't get
Okay,
similar
like
person.
uh, okay, you can use it in your language. You can use it in your practical life, but if the person don't know the meaning, then you can explain them in your
Yeah,
mother tongue.
yeah, you are right. But sometimes people, they, if you don't know, that person can understand your mother tongue, right? But let's see, we practice in vocabulary. I think so. You spoke about procrastination. I heard about it, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, that is procrastination, postponed. That is also one.
yeah,
Because if you want to do something, this work, but you always deny to do, and you take that work tomorrow. But if you also procrastination tomorrow and you tell, okay, I have do in next day, that kind of procrastination. But sometime
yeah, yeah,
always we
exactly.
use postpone, I don't
I
do
think
it.
Michi, we should stuck on the. Uh, I think we should stuck on the task
Okay.
because uh, we not only say about the procrastination only. We learn 3 to 4 words also,
Okay.
like heady and uh, what is the second word, Priya?
Second one is like stratosphere.
Sorry.
Stratosphere.
Yeah, yeah, stratosphere.
Okay.
Stratosphere.
Not strato, it's strato.
Can you spell me?
Spell G
Yeah, yeah,
W
yeah.
A T O S P H E R E.
Okay. And next also absolute lit, or what that, right? Means
Yeah,
what he told about it, meaning of absolute.
like it's like something very outdated.
Outdated, right, right. I read also
Guys,
book
my
in.
voice is